tell you about our jobs. We are digital marketing agency. Wherever you saw our number, which is +919815090410. So here in this video, I'm going to clear your all doubts. First, I think you saw our numbers on Facebook groups, Instagram groups, Facebook jobs, or online social media, wherever you saw our banners, requirements about jobs. Actually, we are digital marketing agency and we do different types of works. Like for people, like we do social media marketing, we do PPC ad campaign in Facebook, Amazon, Google, Instagram, TikTok, wherever for our customers. We do graphic designing, we do video editing, we do content writing, we do Amazon product listings. We have multiple types of work for you. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to clear your all doubts. So from wherever you are, any part of the world, like from Pakistan, from Nigeria, from India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, then Uganda, then Kenya, then Cameroon, then total Africa, from wherever, maybe. Okay, so first in your mind, because more than 95% jobs online are fake jobs, so you get scammed. Or maybe you hear someone from your friends, from your loved ones, maybe already get scammed, or maybe you already get scammed. So sometimes people are afraid from this, like, okay, I will get scammed from online jobs or blah blah blah. Yeah, you are right, because you are from other part of the world, we are from other part of the world, and already lots of scams online there. And first thing is, we do not till now we do not charge any money, any joining fee, any money, any membership fee or anything. So the scam word is now finished for you, because we do not charge any money. Second thing, I already told you, we are a digital marketing agency. We work for our clients for graphic designing, video editing, social media marketing, digital marketing, then PPC campaign running, then product listings, import, export, lots of accounting, then review management, like lots of the Amazon A+ content creation, Amazon store creations, many things we do for our clients. So these all works we have for you. What you need now? Need is, you must be good in English or basic in English. Second thing, you must have computer with good smartphone with internet connection, good internet connection. And you will get paid on monthly basis in your bank account or by any like Western Union or whatever. The way in your country will be convenient, we will send you money by that way, your salary. It is a full-time job, not a part-time job. The difference is only, you do not have to go to any shop, any business, any factory, anywhere. You just sit in your home with your computer, complete your work every day, whatever the work we will give you, and you will get paid. Okay, this is clear to you. Scam, I already told you that we do not charge till now any money for even training. But in future, maybe in future we will start charging, because when we train you higher level, but like not you, but other members. So right now, if you already familiar with the social media marketing, digital marketing, video editing, content creation, graphic designing, Photoshop, then it is good. But if you do not know anything about them, then we will train you. And for training, it is totally free of cost training, 1 month to 3 month training. But during that training, you will not get paid, because whenever you go to any computer center, any school, college, they charge you money, because you want to get study from there, right? You want to like study there, you have to pay their fee. But so similar way, but we do not charge you any fee, we do not pay but we only during training we do not pay you. It is free of cost training. After training, we will start paying you. And what is the payment? That will be according to your skill, according to your country. You can discuss on our WhatsApp number what salary will be in starting. And as you will grow in your work, as you will improve your skills, as you will get expertise, every month, every year, we give you increments in your salary, bonuses in your salary, time to time increments. That increments will be depend on your previous work performance. Okay, so if we give you about you like video editing, like that will depend on that how many videos you edit in a day. If we will hire you for a graphic designer, then that will depend on how many graphics in a day you make. If we hire you for social media marketing, then how many posts you post on our social media platform, which we will give you in a day. That your salary increments will depend on your past performance, you are working, because most people also want to take benefit of this work from home job, because they have in mind, okay, nobody is watching me, don't care, nobody is, then nobody is watching, nobody, I am sitting at home, no need to work. Then they will say, oh, I tried my best, I did this type of work, oh, I did, because we need people for full-time job, full day job, okay. And we every day, we know, because we are in, like, from last many years, like more than 15 years, we are in this industry, okay, online digital marketing agency, and we know most average data, like one person, how many videos a one person can edit in a day, how many posts a one person can post in a day, how many graphics one person can make in a day, how many PPC ad campaign, good PPC ad campaigns one person can run in a day. So if you have in your mind, okay, no need, nobody is watching me, okay, no need to work, or work only for like 2 hours or 3 hours, then that performance will not give you any increment, and maybe you will get fired. So you, first thing is clear, it is a full-time job, no scam, real money, real salary you will get in your bank account. Number is already given, +91 98150 90410. You are from any part of the world, from like Nigeria, Uganda, Africa, Kenya, anywhere, or Morocco, wherever, Cameroon, India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, from anywhere you can be, Singapore. We need people, good people, hardworking people who want to build, make their career in online work at home jobs. But you must be serious, honest in working, serious to learn, and we need people for long time, not for 1-2 months. We need people for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years to work with us. You will get paid month to month, no problem. You will never get scammed. No, we are not charging any money. We will train you free of cost for 1 to 3 months. We will train you. That will and training will be depend on your past working experience, your knowledge about computer. On that behalf, we will give you training. That so what else you want to know? If you have any question, you can comment to me. So I will reply you, or you can WhatsApp on 981 +91 98150 90410. +91 is a India country code, and our direct WhatsApp number is 98150 90410, and before that use +91, that is India's country code. So if you need any more information, you can contact us by WhatsApp, by email, by this like comment on this video, and leave your number. Or no need to leave your number, because sometimes other scammers, maybe like scammers getting from our video, they will get your number, and they will like pretend that they are contacting on our behalf. So contact directly to us on our official WhatsApp number, which is +91 98150 90410. Thank you. Please share the